Hello, hello, ladies and gentlemen. James here. I want to make another recording this morning, and you won't believe what this mayor said. An Ohio mayor says ice fishing leads to prostitution. I'm trying to figure out how in the world does ice fishing lead to prostitution. Let's read this article. The mayor of Hudson, Ohio, presented a bizarre argument against permitting ice fishing at a local park. He said it would lead to prostitution. In a viral clip, Craig Schubert told City Council that if the past in town was not allowed at Hunter's Spring Park, the entire different type of pastime would naturally follow. If you're going to open this ice fishing while you're on service, it sounds good. Then what next year? Do someone come back and say, "Oh, I want an ice shanty in amount of time"? He asked. The clip referred to the portable shelters for ice fishing. And if you allow ice fishing in shanties, it leads to another problem: prostitution. He continued, and now you got police chief and the police department involved, with just data points considered. I shit you not.
Additionally, if you open this up to ice fishing, while on the surface it sounds good, then what happens next year? Does someone come back and say, "I want an ice shanty on Hudson Springs Park for X amount of time"? And if you then allow ice fishing with shanties, then that leads to another problem: prostitution. Now you got the police chief from the police department involved. Just data points to consider.
Okay. So I'm not in favor of shanties.
One more thing.
Nicole.
So it
It's not clear what the data points Schubert a Republic reference, but Schubert's colleagues seemed to nervously laugh at his suggestion. The conversation leading up to about the risk of death outcomes on ice fishing and actual data points. Schubert, who served largely ceremony in a wealthy Cleveland suburb, has already been in the news on his opinions about sex. Last year, he argued that Hudson School Board members should be held accountable for pornographic content in schools. Among materials he found objectionable was a book called 642 Things to Write About. Two books prompted involving sex scene investigation into Schubert's conduct. School Board revealed that those specific prompts that have never been assigned. It doesn't matter, though the scandal made the national headlines and school board members start receiving death threats. Schubert argued that 40 other unnamed books, highly sexually and pornographic material, have been available for children at the school, the Akron Beacon Journal. So, he said that with some people that do this get on the cold ice will lead to prostitution in his little town. What prostitute want to go on the middle of Lake Erie and want to sleep in a shanty? What is wrong with these people? What prostitute can anybody imagine a prostitute want to? Oh yeah, let's go. You got a house? You got a house? House, a hotel, baby? No, I got a shanty on Lake Erie. In a little town called Hudson, Ohio. Who wants to go out there on Lake Erie and have what prostitute wants to go have sex on Lake Erie? Gee. Where they get these people from, man? I can't believe he actually said that. But anyway, yeah, I kid you not, an Ohio mayor said this, that ice fishing can lead to prostitution. At the end of the day, I gotta say, some people need to go sit their dumb ass down. Alright then, ladies and gentlemen, this is James. I'm out. Y'all have a good day.